You got it on? Hey YouTube, it's your boy Domlays. Thank you guys for coming back to my channel. Yes, it is the new year and I'm a little late with sending a video out, but a lot has happened. I went to Florida, my aunt passed away. It's just been very busy and I'm sorry guys. I should have brought you with me through the trip. It was a beautiful time down there. But I'm glad to be back so I can do this lovely tutorial on this Morphe palette right here. Don't mind that ding up. I actually dropped it. Don't forget also to hit that notification bell up there and also subscribe guys. Subscribe please. So if you want to see how I got this look today, stay tuned. So we're about to jump into the Morphe collection. These are the holiday brushes I slay. We're going to jump into this beautiful shade in the 39A palette, which is called Define Me. It is a beautiful transition shade and it's a very matte coloring and it has a little hint of orangish brown in it. And I'm just going to apply that above my crease right there, not inside. So now using the same brush, we're going to dip into this beautiful metallic matte shade, which is called Snatched. It's this beautiful red. Now you're going to apply this into the crease, not above or on your lid, just right into the crease. As we did with Define Me, that beautiful matte shade, we're also going to bring down Snatched with that beautiful red down to the lower lid of my eye. Then we're going to take another brush from the Morphe collection I Slay and just blend out Define on top with Snatched. Then we're going to take another brush from the I Slay collection from Morphe with this beautiful indigo color. It's a very bluish green, but on the eye mixed with Snatch and makes this beautiful purple cut crease kind of line in between my crease and my lid. It is very smooth and it blends very well. We're going to take the brush that we used earlier with the color Define Me and we're going to blend it on down my eyelid with the indigo shade just to blend it, make it more natural looking under my eye. Now we're just going to blend, 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 and a little bit more blending. Now we're going to add a little concealer on the lid of my eye so that we can add a little metallic shade for you guys. Make sure while you're blending your concealer into your lid, you do not go above where the halo is with the purple. You want your colors to blend very well together. Oh no, she didn't. You see all that fallout? Let's just brush that on off. No shade. Now we're going to jump into this beautiful metallic shade called Colors. And we're just going to add it to the outer corner of our eyelid. It is very beautiful. We're just going to blend it in. Make sure you don't go all the way over to the other side of the lid because we're going to add another color to that spot. Then we're going to get this beautiful pigment color called Tailored, and we're just going to tailor that on the inner eye right there and blend it on in with the color. Now we're going to add Tailored into the inside of our lower lash line. Then we're also going to add the color also to smoke out the bottom lash near the end of my lower lash line. Now we're going to use Define Me, and we're just going to blend in the two colors under the eye. First I'm going to use the L'Oreal eyeliner pen, then I'm going to be using the NYX eyeliner just so I can get a more crisp wing. Ooh, don't she look like Cleopatra with that liner and that inner eye like that? And we're going to jump into the Jumbo NYX pencil, and we're going to add this color Milk into my waterline.
He needs some milk.
Alright guys, so now I finished this eye. I'm going to do this eye off camera and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so next we're going to jump into this palette right here. I just threw on a little bit of lashes and a little bit of highlight just to set this look off a little bit. But I'm thinking about a nude look with this just because it's so dramatic on top. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to blend these 3 shades right here to get the perfect nude look for me. So after this beautiful lip right here, very nude, I think it blends very good with the eyeshadow. It just sets it very well, and the blush is very gorgeous. This palette right here, aka I'm not sponsored, but I would love to, Morphe, because I think code DOMLACE down below would be really cute. But this palette right here is very gorgeous. It is very handy, but it's not traveling size, but you can throw this in your backpack or your makeup bag or anything that you have, and you can get so many looks. Like, look at the colors, guys. Like, look at this green right here. Gorgeous. Look at this blue that I used today. Like, oh. And then when you get into these transition shades, oh my god. So do I think this palette is worth it? Hell yeah. This palette, Santa did well, because like I asked for this and Santa brought it right to me, and I'm very pleased. This palette is wonderful. So go spend your money and get it. Guys, can you comment, like, and also subscribe to my channel? The subscribe button is down below, so I want you to hit that and become part of the squad. Sorry for the noise, this palette's so big. Ugh. I'll see you next time. Love you.
Oh! Somebody! Oh! He needs some milk.
You got it on?